Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a crucial aspect of our woodshop safety protocol: what to do in case of an accident. Remember, safety is our top priority, and being prepared for emergencies can make a significant difference in preventing serious injuries. Let's review some things that we must do in emergency situations while using the Engineering and Technology Lab. Main content. 1. Immediate reporting. The first and most important rule in case of any accident is immediate reporting. No matter how minor an incident may seem, it's crucial to inform the instructor right away. 1. If you experience or witness any accident, such as a spill or breakage. 2. If there's any injury, no matter how small, like a cut or a burn. 3. Or if you notice any unsafe condition in the woodshop. 1. Report it to the instructor immediately. This quick action can prevent further accidents and ensure proper care is provided promptly. 1. Handling of broken materials. Students should never attempt to handle broken glass or other hazardous materials. This is a job for trained personnel. If you see broken glass or any other potentially dangerous debris, inform the instructor and keep yourself and others away from the area. 1. Familiarity with safety equipment. It's essential that everyone knows the locations and operating procedures of all safety equipment in the woodshop. Let's go over these now. eye wash station. 1. Located on the back wall next to the safety goggles container. 2. Used for flushing eyes in case of chemical splashes or debris. 3. To use. Push the lever to start the water flow, hold your eyes open, and flush for at least 15 minutes. 1C. Fire extinguisher. Located on the wall next to the window in the woodshop and in the General Engineering and Technology class next to the woodshop door. Used for small, contained fires. Remember the PASS technique. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, sweep from side to side. 1. Emergency exits. Knowing where the emergency exits are located is crucial for quick evacuation if necessary. Our emergency exits are the doors in the woodshop and the classroom. 2. Emergency procedures. In case of a serious accident or emergency, stay calm. Alert the instructor immediately. If safe to do so, assist in addressing the emergency, e.g., helping a classmate to the eye wash station. Follow the instructor's directions. If evacuation is necessary, proceed calmly to the nearest exit and gather at our designated meeting point in the far parking lot outside the school. Conclusion. Remember, your safety and the safety of your classmates is paramount. Always prioritize safety over work completion. If you're ever unsure about a procedure or notice anything that seems unsafe, don't hesitate to ask questions or raise concerns. We're here to learn and work together in a safe environment. Are there any questions about our emergency response protocol? Woodshop Safety Emergency Response Quiz. 1. What should you do if you witness a minor accident in the woodshop? 1. A. Handle it yourself to avoid bothering the instructor. 1. B. Wait to see if it becomes more serious before reporting. 1. C. Report it to the instructor immediately. 2. Who should handle broken glass in the woodshop? 2A. The student who broke it. 2. B. Any available student. 2. C. Trained personnel only. 3. How long should you rinse your eyes at the eye wash station if you get a chemical splash? 3. A. 5 minutes. 3. B. At least 15 minutes. 3. C. 30 seconds. 4. What does the PASS technique refer to? 4. A. Procedure for using the safety shower. 4. B. Steps for evacuating the woodshop. 4. C. Method for using a fire extinguisher. 5. What should you do if you're unsure about a safety procedure in the woodshop? 5. A. Ask a classmate. 5. B. Try to figure it out on your own. 5. C. Ask the instructor for clarification. Now pause the video or use your automatic quiz system to view the answers. Then come back to this video for explanations. Explanations. 1. All accidents, no matter how minor, should be reported to the instructor immediately to ensure proper handling and prevent potential escalation. 2. Students should never handle broken glass. 2. This task should be left to trained personnel to prevent injuries. 3. In case of chemical splashes, eyes should be rinsed for at least 15 minutes to ensure thorough cleaning and minimize potential damage. 4. PASS stands for pull, aim, squeeze, sweep, the steps for properly using a fire extinguisher. 5. If ever in doubt about safety procedures, it's always best to ask the instructor for clarification. 5. Safety should never be compromised due to uncertainty.